Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. This is 4 leather chair seat for kitchen room furniture chair. We ordered online. We're going to unbox it. This is assemble instruction. Note the front connecting rod is inclined with the smaller angle end down when installed. Fasten screws loosely during initial assembly. Do not tighten the screws firmly until the item is assembled completely. Firmly secure all bolts, screws, and nuts before use. This is the back rest. So 4 of those. This is the second one. This is the second one. Spay leather. The third. The last but not the least. What it looks like. Accessories. So these are accessories for each chair. 4 of those. So this is the leg. So this is what it looks like. First set. Second one. Third. And fourth. So this is the main seat. See what it looks like. One. This is the second one. Third. And the last but not the least, number 4. So each chair got two legs, and this connecting rod for stabilization. The backrest goes to the back here, the main seat on the front. This is the screw accessory. Got one Allen key and 10 screws. Then you have the back rest for each of those. So four back rests and 4 seats. So these are stuff included in the packaging. This is the unboxing and overview of this video. Check out my next video how we set this. Please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.